Hi Librans, this is Chao with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for June 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some oracle cards that I have. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2022, we have the Five of Pentacles here. Perhaps Librans, at this time, you need to be very careful with respect to your speech. Maybe there was some misunderstandings here. Or perhaps you were also someone who was jumping to conclusions. That is why there was a necessity for clarity in your speech. In all likelihood, in these final days, your routine was also disrupted. You had to take in a lot of responsibilities. Maybe you were a bit perturbed because there was no system in order. Incidentally, for some of you, I'm also picking up that you needed to let go of something which wasn't yours, and this would have definitely given you peace of mind. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that June is going to pose for you is the Justice card. Karma is at play here. It depends entirely on the way you have conducted yourself. Justice does talk about a balance here. Reward and punishment is quite likely in this month. I think you also desire clarity with respect to certain matters. Excess work is also on the cards in June, so you need to be prepared for the same. Influences for this month, we have the King of Swords here. I think paperwork or technical matters will be uppermost on your mind. Maybe there's also someone who is arm twisting you to follow his way. That is why this could also leave you a bit fretful. Incidentally, Librans, I'm also picking up that there's going to be excess communication. Your plans or your schedules could be altered. Basically, you have to step up and take charge. Maybe you realize that the onus is on you. Your responsibilities is also going to increase. That is why you believe that others leave you to your own devices, and it's always you who has to shoulder the load. Money could also be the bone of contention here. You should deliberate with the senior figure, whether at work or on the home front. Maybe it's your dad whom you need to discuss things about how you should proceed. Discussions will definitely give you ideas which you need to work on. The first 10 days of June, we have the Two of Wands here. I think there will be some tension-filled moments, but later on there could be some respite. Maybe there seems to be a solution for the problems. This is why I think Librans, it is imperative for you to be patient. Maybe you will also realize in hindsight that you were getting worked up for nothing. I think money is something which motivates you to carry on. In case you're making your way for an interview, I think Librans, you should tone it down a bit. Maybe you should be a bit humble. Perhaps you're coming across as someone who is very overconfident. Wages will also come in at this time. Perhaps some of you may have also wanted to quit the workplace because there was uncertainty over your pay, but then payment is going to come in. Surprises are also going to be there, so you need to negotiate and have your way. For some Librans, I'm also picking up that the first 10 days could be marked by reunions. Maybe you also want to declutter, you want to add to your wardrobe as well. The next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th June, we have the King of Pentacles here. Possibly, Librans, someone is going to be bountiful or is going to be open-handed towards you. I think this is the best time if you want to go for that job opportunity. If there's an interview lined up, then you should talk about your previous experiences. Perhaps somebody in the interview panel is going to be kindly disposed towards you. Someone is definitely watching your back. Even while you ink those deals, you need to look carefully because there could be some mistakes. And that, Librans, in case you are seeking services from a third person or from another person, you should be careful because this person could also take you for a ride. Money or payment could also come in at this time. I think cooperation is also the key here. You need to cooperate. You need to sign those contracts if you want to get ahead in life. in this month. The final days of June, we have the Four of Cups here. Perhaps there's going to be some emotional turmoil in your life in these final days. You may also feel as though people are two-faced or they don't act on their plans, but then everything will fall in place eventually, so you needn't get flustered. In essence, Librans, at this time you could be a bit emotional, there could be arguments, so you should stay away. It would be best, to avoid these circumstances. Maybe this month you're also dealing with old acquaintances. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that in case you're on the lookout for a job opportunity at this time, then maybe the work offers may not be to your liking. Other than that, those of you who are already employed, I think you should be prepared, because throughout the month I'm picking up that your schedules could be disrupted. Maybe in these final days you could also feel a bit lazy, you don't want to proceed. But then time will slip away, so you should not wait for the next day, rather you should get down and push yourself to complete what you have set out to do. Those of you who are in the leadership position could be a bit hot and bothered, exasperated or irritated because employees get on your nerves. I think this seems to be a mixed period for you. Banking work or financial transactions will also keep you busy. With respect to your love life, I have this card. Please stay, it says here, from the Love Oracle deck. Definitely, I think single Librans, you are going to be pursued by the opposite sex. Perhaps you don't want to string anyone along. You want to maintain your distance from this person. You don't want this person to get ideas, but this person wants to hold on. Maybe he wants you to be there in his life. I think Librans should also be careful, because there's going to be unwanted attention coming your way this month. Even on the social media, you should be guarded. In case you're crushing on someone or in case you fancy someone, I think you shouldn't be too persuasive. Maybe this person is like the King of Pentacles. Maybe you desire material security from him, or you want that sense of security which is lacking within the home front. Romancing Librans, you will have witty exchange with your person. Maybe you're also going to discuss your innermost secrets with him. I think you should listen. You should be all ears rather than intervene while he speaks, because that could mean that the conversation could dry up. Basically, Librans, you need to be more romantic. Perhaps you should also discuss work. Maybe your person also wants you to read the books that he reads. For some of you, it's also possible that there could be a physical distance in this relationship. Maybe this person is away on account of work. He's got to travel out of town, and that means there's a distance, but you can do nothing about it. Married Librans, you may be concerned about your spouse's health. Married Librans, I think your in-laws could rattle you a bit this month, so you should be mindful of that. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think your person could be quite suspicious this month. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to focus on diet. Diet is important here. Maybe you need to focus on losing weight, or perhaps you need to gain weight. Basically, you need to look closely at your diet. Maybe you should remove intoxicants or go for an organic diet. Some of you need to focus on a vegetarian diet as well. This could benefit you in more ways than one. Maybe some of you also need to consult a dietitian this month who can help you understand your body's needs. The last card in this reading is Power Animal from the Angel Therapy deck. I think your spirit animals are going to guide you. Maybe some of you are going to be aware of your spirit animals this month. You should listen, you should go outdoors, you should connect with nature. Maybe this will also help you relax a bit in case there are emotional upheavals this month. And all Librans, this month you should focus on collaborating with others. You should sign those contracts. You should keep a check on your emotions. Librans, you are known to be balanced individuals, and this is what you desire in June. I hope Librans you liked your reading This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.